Are you searching for the perfect dash cam to enhance your driving experience? Look no further. In this detailed comparison, we'll explore 8 top-rated dash cams, examining their unique features and capabilities. From advanced recording technology to enhanced night vision, we've got everything covered to help you make an informed decision. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. And if you're ready to purchase your new dash cam, check out the links in the description below. The CHORTAU Dual Dash Cam is designed to provide ultimate peace of mind on the road. With its 1080p resolution front camera and waterproof rear camera, it captures clear footage of both the road ahead and behind your vehicle. Equipped with night vision and a wide-angle view, this cam ensures optimal visibility even in low-light conditions. Additionally, its loop recording and emergency accident locks safeguard your video evidence, preventing any loss or overwrite. Ideal for rideshare drivers. The Vantrue N2 Pro Uber Dual Dash Cam offers dual-channel recording capability, simultaneously capturing footage of the road front and inside the passenger cabin. With two 5K single front recording and 1080p resolution inside, it ensures crystal clear images and detailed footage. Its infrared night vision technology allows for reliable performance in dark environments, making it perfect for capturing incidents both inside and outside the vehicle. Experience unparalleled clarity with the REDTIGER Dash Cam front rear. Featuring 4K plus 1080p dual recording, it delivers stunningly detailed footage of your surroundings. The built-in Wi-Fi and GPS functionality enables seamless connectivity with your smartphone, allowing you to easily view, manage, and share your recordings using the REDTIGER app. With superior night vision and a wide-angle view, this dash cam ensures that every detail is captured, providing you with valuable evidence in case of an incident. The 70mm Dash Cam M300 offers exceptional recording quality with its 1296p QHD resolution and wide-angle FOV. Its 3D noise reduction algorithm and WDR technology ensure clear and smooth footage, even in challenging lighting conditions. With parking monitoring and built-in G-sensor functionality, it provides comprehensive coverage and protection for your vehicle, both on the road and while parked. Upgrade to the Vantrue N4 3-channel 4K Dash Cam for triple-channel recording capability, capturing footage of the front, rear, and inside of your vehicle simultaneously. With 4K plus 1080p front and rear recording, it offers unparalleled clarity and detail. Its infrared night vision technology ensures reliable performance in low-light conditions, while the 24-hour parking mode provides continuous surveillance, enhancing the security of your vehicle. Stay protected with the B1 Dash Cam front and rear. Featuring super night vision and 1080p Full HD resolution, it delivers crisp and clear footage, day or night. Its G-sensor and loop recording functionality ensure that important footage is always preserved, providing you with valuable evidence in case of an accident or incident. With easy installation and intuitive operation, this dash cam is a reliable companion for your daily commute or road trips. Experience discreet monitoring with the Garmin Dashcam Mini 2. Its compact design and wide-angle lens make it virtually unnoticeable behind your rearview mirror, while still capturing detailed 1080p video footage. With voice control and automatic incident detection, it offers hands-free operation and peace of mind on the road. The parking guard feature provides additional security for your vehicle, alerting you to any incidents even when you're away. Enhance your driving experience with the CHORTAU Dash Camera for Car. Featuring a 3-inch IPS screen and super night vision technology, it provides clear and detailed footage, ensuring optimal visibility in any lighting conditions. Its G-sensor and loop recording functionality ensure that important moments are always captured, while the included 32 GB card offers ample storage space for your recordings. With easy installation and intuitive operation, this dash cam is a valuable addition to any vehicle. There you have it. 8 top-notch dash cams, each offering a unique set of features and capabilities to meet your specific needs. Whether you're looking for advanced recording technology, enhanced night vision, or seamless connectivity, there's a dash cam here for you. Thanks for watching and drive safely. Until next time, happy driving!